Hey guys, today I'm just gonna go right into it without wasting your time. So this is a flat twist and this was my first time trying out a flat twist on my hair. So I'm just gonna go step by step and show you how I have come up with this flat twist. First of all, I've sectioned my hair into 4 equal parts. I hope they are equal. First, I'm going to grab my hydrating spray and I'm going to spray my hair. My hydrating spray consists of my leave-in conditioner and oils. Grab a white tooth comb and I'm going to detangle my hair. Of course, detangling my hair from my ends and work my way through to the roots. And then when I'm all done detangling my hair, I'm gonna grab my curling cream from Vatika and I'm just gonna apply an adequate amount to my hair. So we're gonna start off our flat twist. So I'm gonna pick up a section. And then in that section, I'm going to divide it into 2 equal parts. I'm going to try to grab the top part with my left hand and the bottom part with my right hand. And we're going to twist towards the face. So with a flat twist, what you do is you try to scoop up hair with your left hand and then twist in with your right. So that's how it works. So always scoop up hair with your left, just like this, and then twist in with your other hand like that. So you scoop up hair with your left hand and then twist in with your right hand. So that's all you do. You scoop up with your left index finger, twist in with your right index finger, so my hair is backed up at the bottom now and it's tangled up. So what I do is I grab a comb and I quickly detangle it and continue on with my flat twist. So now I'm at the bottom. I'm just finishing up my flat twist and there you go. You twist it all the way to the bottom. And now that's one flat twist done. So yeah, I think I really did try. It's not that perfect, but it is tight and it is a flat twist. So moving on to the second one. So right now I'm just going to fast forward everything. I'm going to spray my hydrating spray and then quickly comb to detangle my hair. And lastly, I'm just going to add in my curling cream. And we start with the twist again. So just to remind you, you part a little section from your parted section. Then in that little section, you divide it into 2 equal parts. And all you do is you twist your 2 equal parts. Scoop up hair with your left index finger and then you twist in with your right index finger. So that is just a continuous rhythm. So once you get the rhythm, it's just pretty easy to move on. So you scoop up with your left index finger and twist in with your right index finger. So this is all in fast motion, and I'm just gonna quickly finish this one and the next one behind the camera, and I will be back to finish off the last one with the other way of how you can twist. So I'm back, and right now I'm gonna show you the second or other way you can twist. So what I do is also I part a section, divide the section into two, and I grab the two hair, twist and twist again, and then now holding both hand hair with one hand, I scoop up from the big section with the other hand, join it to the one that's at the bottom and twist. So every time when new hair is at the bottom, you scoop a new section and then join with the one at the bottom, and then twist. And then now I will scoop again from the big section, join to the one that is at the bottom, and then you twist over the one that's on top, and then again you just scoop new hair from the big section, join it to the one that's at the bottom, twist over the one that's on top, and then you have a repetition of your rhythm. So once you get good with the rhythm, it's much more faster and it's easier to finish. So right now I'm just gonna fast forward the rest. So yeah, remember, all you do is scoop from the whole lot section of hair, join to the one that's at the bottom, and then twist over the one that's at the top. So that is your rhythm all the way. And yeah, so that's the end of my flat twist tutorial. That's how I twist my hair, two different ways. Right now I'm just gonna lay my edges, just a bonus, show you how I will lay my edges with this flat twist. And that's how I get my flat twist. I hope it was clear, but yeah, I tried. It was my first time, and it was my first time with you guys, and I did a pretty good job. I think I nailed it. For a first time and a beginner doing the flat twist, I nailed it. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you guys next time. Bye.